Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this gas slide-in range by GE Profile. The model number is PGS930SELSS. So I'm going to first start off with the cooktop up here. So what makes this cooktop pretty unique is that it goes from the full width of the range, so the full 30 inches. So that gives you more space for pots and pans. If we compare it to the Samsung that's right next to it, only goes to the 27 inches. So it gives you a lot less room, doesn't give you as much space to put your pots and pans down, but this is going to give you the full length of the range. Also, they've designed the grates and the griddles so that you can move the pans across the grates and griddle nice and easily as well. So we're going to focus on this burner first off. It is a 21,000 BTU tri-ring burner. You can either do the low simmer option or you can go further out and do a power boil. And then it also will come with this griddle right here. It is reversible. So you can obviously grill on one side and then use the griddle on the other there as well. And underneath that, we do have this tri-ring burner here where you can set it so that you can just use the low simmer right here for any broccoli that you're going to be steaming, and then the whole griddle all together on the outside. It's controlled by this right here. So the first one with just from here to here is going to be just that middle one, and you can keep going all the way to the griddle for the high, medium, and low heat. So that's pretty much it for the top of the cooktop. If we take a look inside here, we have the fan back there, which is true European convection. It combines 3 different heating elements with the fan, and the fan actually does circulate and move back there to give the whole cavity and heat it up really nicely as well. We also have these grates right here. These are basically what they like to call like never clean grates. You essentially don't have to scrub them after each use. Once you clean the range, then you can go ahead and clean those as well. It does come with the temperature probe, which does link up to the GE Kitchen Appliances app on your phone. That app also tells you any kind of maintenance, or lets you preheat the oven when you're not around and all that kind of stuff. Also does come with the steam clean option. It gives you the instructions very simple right there, just 1 cup of water right in there, and you press the steam clean option and that cleans the whole oven out, plus the racks also. And then also what's really cool about this range, it does come with GE's fit guarantee. So essentially, GE promise that if this doesn't fit in your current space where you have your gas range for 30 inches, they will actually give you a credit of up to $300 to help towards the installation of this range. There's plenty of more stuff to look at on this on our website at appliancefactory.com. You can look at all the specs and all the dimensions that tickles your fancy, but that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good one.